see you.
Thank you, Your Excellency, for giving us.
I'm here obviously because of the current dispute that's going on between our friends in the Gulf Cooperation Council, and I'm here to give support to the Emir of Kuwait and the Kuwaiti government, who are leading the work of trying to de-escalate the situation and bring people together. Everybody feels strongly that we need to work on making sure that across the region we focus on combating the financing of terrorism. And of course that goes not just for Qatar but for all our friends in the region. I think that is highly unlikely, and nobody has mentioned that. Indeed, everybody I have talked to has said the opposite. There's no possibility of a military escalation. On the contrary, what people want to do, I think, is to, we think the blockade was unwelcome, and we hope there will be a de-escalation.